Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Android version and performance headroom so the live wallpaper won't slow you down. Open Settings or long press the home screen to access the wallpaper picker. Choose built-in live options or install a trusted app from the Play Store. Once done, grant only necessary permissions like storage or overlay. This prevents unwanted access while enabling the wallpaper to load. Make sure to pick an option that matches your battery and CPU budget to avoid surprises later. Now you'll configure the wallpaper's behavior and visuals. Open the wallpaper app or picker settings and set animation speed, resolution, and frame limits so it balances smoothness with battery use. Then define triggers like touch reactions, time schedules, or motion sensors to control when effects run. Next, choose crop and aspect ratio, 16:9 or auto, and assign to home, lock, or both. Once done, preview for a minute to verify performance and appearance before applying. Apply the wallpaper and test it under normal use for about 10 to 15 minutes while watching battery and CPU behavior. If you notice lag, overheating, or rapid drain, immediately lower animation quality, disable sensor or touch interactions, or switch to a static mode to isolate the cause. Once done, clear the wallpaper app cache or force stop it. If problems persist, reinstall or try a different app and reboot your device. Make sure to keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Always reduce quality first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.